Hi, I am Dat. I am based in Vietnam, and today I'll be teaching you some simple Vietnamese phrases. So let's get it started. First of all, let's learn how to say hi and say hello in Vietnamese. In Vietnam, we say hi and hello in many different ways. The most simple way is to say Xin chào. But if you go to Vietnam and you want to be more polite, you can change the word you say according to the partner that is talking to you. When you want to say hi sister to someone is a woman and a bit older than you say chào chị ạ, chào chị ạ. When you want to say hello to a brother who is a little bit older than you say chào anh ạ, chào anh ạ. When you want to say hello to someone who is a lot more older than you, like an auntie, you say chào cô ạ. Ạ is a polite word, only used to people who are older than you. Okay. And when you want to say hello to an uncle who is older than you say chào chú ạ. And lastly, when you meet someone that is older than your parents, you say chào bác ạ. So that is how you say different greetings in Vietnamese. So after greetings, you can say some introduction words, introduction phrases about yourself. You might want to introduce your name. You can say tôi tên là, tôi tên là. For example, I say my name is Dat, so tôi tên là Dat. That is how you introduce your name. And when you want to visit a shop and you want to buy something, you can start by saying hello to the shopkeeper with the previous phrases. You can introduce your name and you can ask for the prices. You can ask what is the price of this by saying cái này giá bao nhiêu. And that is our lesson for today.